Good morning, everybody. Welcome to So You Can. My name is Anna, and we do have a special guest today. My son Devin is videoing today.
Hello, everybody.
So today is very, very exciting. We are unboxing the brand new Meridian 2. Yes, they did release a new one this year, and let's open that box and find out what's in it. I am curious, is it gonna look different? Because I have seen no pictures. So we are gonna find out. Yes, and the box is enormous. So if you are coming down to pick this one up, you are gonna wanna make sure you have the trunk space. Because there is a lot of goodies in this one. All right, here we go. And the Meridian is an embroidery only machine. And all the fun accessories are in the top. So we have a little pouch with all our spool caps and our nets and things like that. Power cord, bobbins. Oh, this is new. What could it be? And it is for yarn couching. They added that accessory. Oh, I like that. That's really, really nice. So that must mean there's a whole bunch of new designs in there. We have a threader for the larger strands of yarn when you can't use your needle threader. We have our quick reference guide and our instruction book. Okay, I'm just going to move this over because it is time for the big ta-da.
Oh, here we go.
Are we ready?
Let's do it.
I know, I'm excited. There it is.
Oh my dear goodness.
All right, let's see if I can lift it. It is heavy. So if you might want to invite over that grandson, right? Or neighbor and have them lift that up for you.
Jeez.
But it is beautiful. Look at that.
Man.
That is a big touch screen. Oh, and who doesn't love peeling the blue tape? Oh, they have something new.
Absolute satisfaction.
You see that? That is for the laser beam for the needle. So you know exactly where that needle is going to drop inside your project. Okay, I got the tape off the hood. Are we ready? Let's see what's inside. Wow, that is elegant. So you do have your own motor for winding your bobbin, so no worries about having to unthread your machine just to wind a bobbin. You can keep your embroidery thread right up there at all times and wind your bobbin as you go. It's beautiful.
So glossy.
It is. It is, it is.
I love it.
Right?
They even snuck in that baby lock branding there.
They did, right? And the clearly marked Meridian 2. So when you come in, It'll be very easy to identify. You just come on over and you just tell me, I will take that Meridian too. And I will say, absolutely. We'll even help you carry it to the car. Okay, let's get out the embroidery arm. I'm still sticking. All right, here we go. Look at the size of that embroidery hoop. This, people, is your new embroidery field. Nine and a half by 14 inches. So if you are going to be doing quilts, quilting in the hoop, or doing pillows or anything like that, or wall hangings, yeah, with this space, you're rehooping a lot less, if at all. You have your nice grid that you use for perfect placement. And it also comes with a 5x7. Perfect if you're doing purses, tea towels, jackets, anything like that. And it does come with your finishing touch embroidery thread. You have a sample of iron-on stabilizer. And this is the rest of the machine.
Still, they always make it so difficult to unpack.
They just want to make sure that it has safe travels on its way to you. We do ship this one, so you are more than welcome to purchase it on our website. And it's that easy. How great is that? Okay. Now I have to tell you, this is the best part. The best part. But do not plug it in until you have removed that blue tape. We're gonna go to the back. We're gonna plug the little laser thing in. Now she does sing to us. So she sings when we turn her on, and she sings when our project is done. Okay, let's see the magic. Are we ready? She's thinking. She's glowing. Okay, let's go in. Nice new screen. Select your language. We're in Canada, so we're going to do English. We'll set the clock later. And then, okay. We'll set up our Wi-Fi after, but you see how easy it is? It just takes you through step by step so you can see everything. And you have IQ Designer, and you have your embroidery. And everything is just a touch away. Now my husband, he would like this one. He likes fishing, and so do my boys, right, Devin?
Absolutely.
So to be able to customize everything, that's the dream. That's perfect. And there you have it, the beautiful Meridian. Ooh, let's put that hoop on so you can see. Now, just watch how easy it goes on. It just slides right in the track. You lock it in, And that's it. Very, very easy.
Easy as pie, as I would say.
Well, I don't know if they have any pie on here. Let's go see. I don't see any pie,
Oh,
but that would make a beautiful pie plate.
now I got cravings.
There we go. You can choose, you can see everything. I like this feature. I am just gonna go back. I'm gonna go pick a very cool design. Let's go stained glass. I love stained glass. And to be able to stitch that out, we'll go set, right? We'll go to view it. Can you see it? This, we're actually gonna watch play. And it's gonna show us exactly what to expect. So we can watch it stitch out on the screen before we actually do anything on our fabric if we want.
It's like a full step-by-step tutorial.
It is. No surprises, right? So you know exactly how to line up your colors and everything. Is that not gorgeous? I picked some designs just to watch do that. Oh, and there goes the pretty stained glass pattern. And that, everybody, is the Meridian 2. We have it on the floor, so come on in and see us. And absolutely, we will have specials going on. So come on in and find out to see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.